For this dehydrated meal, we're gonna pretty much make a Thanksgiving dinner that I can take in the mountains on a backcountry hunt. So we're gonna be using some turkey, ground turkey. We're gonna make some patties out of it. Then we've got stuffing, cranberries, some fresh herbs, bouillon, and of course some turkey gravy. So it'll be essentially an entire Thanksgiving meal in a bag. So I'm gonna start making patties. The key is gonna be super thin. So we're gonna do 2.5 ounce patties. I'm using this to get really uniform. Patty press, there you go, perfect. 2.5 ounces each, and then we'll fry those up, and then we'll put them in the dehydrator. So they're the same even thickness and the same weight, and they should dry at the same amount of time. If you can do everything the same thickness, the same weight, then they'll start to dry at the same time, so it makes it a lot easier for timing things, making sure it gets fully dehydrated. All right, we got all the patties made. Now it's just cook them up, and then we'll put them in the dehydrator. So we don't have to worry, we're getting it up to temp on the pan here, so we don't have to worry about dehydrating it. We will dehydrate it high temp, but it'll be completely cooked before we put it on there. All right, we're gonna dehydrate our burger patties now. So we've got our turkey patties. I'm gonna put them in the dehydrator, 158 to 167. And it's probably gonna take a while because they're a little bit thicker. I like to start checking around 4 hours. These might even take up to 10 hours. So we'll put them in, and then we'll just go and keep checking every hour after about 4 hours. With this recipe, I got these out of the garden. I like to do some fresh herbs. It's fun, it adds a little bit of flavor. You could use just dried herbs already, but I like to do it myself because these are ones that we grew. And each one's gonna get a sage leaf and then some oregano or thyme. These will be on a low temp, probably about 4 hours for these, around 110 to 120 degrees. Well, we've got our dehydrated turkey dinner ready to go. We've got our stuffing, and I mixed in the craisins with that. Then we've got our turkey burgers that are completely dried. We've also got a little bit of dehydrated gravy, some bouillon, and some of the herbs that we dehydrated as well. I'm gonna mix the herbs in with the breadcrumb, and then the way that you're gonna rehydrate this is you'll actually use the cube of bouillon and rehydrate it in boiling water with the 2 turkey breasts. Then we'll pour that 2 cups of water to rehydrate the turkey breast. Then we'll just pour out about 1/4 cup to rehydrate the stuffing, and then we'll use whatever left. We can mix up our gravy, put the turkey on there, and you've got yourself a Thanksgiving dinner.